Hi there, and welcome to Drugs and Criminal Justice Policy. My name is Dr. Jennifer Wooldridge, if you've never met me before. I'm so very glad that you're here for summer classes, especially because this one is a little wild, a little infuriating, and generally one of the most important topics that we'll explore in criminal justice. Also, yes, I will be saying the word drugs like 400 times a week. No, I'm not in the cartel, but you are going to learn how some policymakers kind of might be. This is going to be a fast-paced 5-week summer course, and we're going to hit a lot of ground. Here's what you're going to be learning this semester. We're going to discuss how drug laws are made and who they really affect. Why crime rates and arrest rates don't always tell the full story. We're going to talk about how corporate giants like Purdue Pharma have helped to shape the opioid crisis. We're also going to discuss what actually works in harm reduction and what just sort of sounds good on a press release. And yes, we're also going to talk about things like Narcan and crack and meth labs and weed legalization and the weirdly bipartisan love for psychedelic therapy. Every week you're going to have a series of mini lectures, applied assignments, and discussion posts that you're going to do with me. And these all invite you to ask really hard questions and to challenge the status quo. If you're just here for a sleepy summer elective, well, you may want to buckle up. I promise that I'm going to keep it engaging and real and occasionally a little sarcastic because drug policy is a serious topic, but it also comes with some really wild stories, some bad laws, and more than just a few policy facepalms. So bring your curiosity, your critical thinking, and maybe a snack, whatever works. Let's dive into the politics, the people, and the power behind drug policy and imagine together what a better system could actually look like. Thanks, and I'll see y'all in the first module.